What's up, everybody? This is Jeremy from Octane TV. We want to make this video today to kind of tell you some of our future plans of what we plan on doing for 2024. In this video, I want to kind of go over some of our future expectations and exactly what we're going to be doing for the 24 season. So as a lot of you known, we've posted up a lot of smaller reels, I guess you want to call it, or stories, things like that about our new podcast and talk show that we have coming out for 2024. We have been working really hard on getting these completely done, and we're about 2 or 3 weeks from completion. So if you have not been able to be on our podcast or talk show, shoot us an email at OCTANETVINFO@gmail.com. We want to get all this 100% filmed and ready to go before the end of the year. 2024, we are going to start releasing all these new podcast and new talk show episodes. So I want to get everything filmed and ready to go. And I know a lot of people have been reaching out to me with the holidays of not being able to have the schedule to be able to do that, and I totally understand. So I'm just letting you know, if you do not get on this first season, please don't be alarmed, don't be upset with me. We will do more. You can be on it in the future, but as of right now, we are going to be completely done with the first season here in the next few weeks so we can start airing these episodes. This is not going to be a podcast or talk show that is 100% solely about racing. This is going to be about everything automotive. Whether you're in the custom market, whether you're in the audio market, whether you're in the racing market or the car show scene, whatever you have to do with automotive, we will be doing a podcast and talk show over it. I just want people to understand that this is not going to be over one genre. This is going to be over a tremendous amount of things that go on the automotive industry. So please take that into understanding when you're watching this. Maybe one week you won't like certain things about it, but then next week you might like exactly what that episode is about. We just want people to understand that we're not going to try to be as one-track minded as some people are. We don't want this to be about what one thing of the automotive industry is. We want it to be about everything that deals with the automotive industry. There are a lot of people that like car audio. There are a lot of people that like performance. There are a lot of people that like stance. There are a lot of people that like car shows. So we want to be able to dive into all these different markets to bring you something that will, show everybody and everybody's work. So that's what we want to do. Our whole entire idea behind this is to voice everyone's opinion and show off exactly what they've been working hard for on the 2023 season to show it off for the 2024 show season, or what we would call automotive season. Here in the Midwest, we don't have much going on in the winter time because it is so cold here. So everybody does a lot of their builds and what they want to do more in the winter time to showcase it into the springtime and summertime. So that's why we want to kind of talk about this stuff in the winter time before they release their build for the 2024 season. With that being said, like I said earlier in this video, if you have not had a chance to be on this talk show or podcast, we will have future episodes coming up in the spring and summer. So please understand that we are going to be going to events, and we are going to be doing live podcasts and talk shows at the events as well. That is something new that's going to come out that not a lot of people have done. We have built a full entire studio that is 100%, we can take it with us in any type of vehicle. We can transport it anywhere we want in the United States. So we are going to be bringing this whole entire studio with us to every event that we go to. One of the first events that we are going to be at this year is Beamer Invasion. Probably going to be one of the biggest Beamer, shows in the nation. We will be in Orlando for that in February. They're also going to be doing a track event in that same weekend that we're going to be at. On top of that, we will be at TX2K in March. We are going to change up things for 2024. I do want to let everybody know that we will not be attending a tremendous amount of small events. We will be putting towards our gears and effort and everything that we have towards large events across the United States. So please understand, we will still be going to some smaller events, but this year we are going to put our main focus into going to larger events that are out of state. We want to kind of get that threshold brought into the Midwest, because for some weird reason, the Midwest doesn't quite have the events that every other state has, including Florida. Florida probably has more events than any other state, maybe besides Texas and California, than I've ever seen. So us being in the Midwest, it's really difficult for us to be able to have large events in the wintertime or even in the, fall or even spring, because our weather is so unpredictable that sometimes it can be 40 degrees and sometimes it can be 80 degrees. So it makes it very difficult for us to be able to have events here in the Midwest, whereas we're more than glad to travel down to Florida in the middle of winter because we know it's going to be 60, 70 degrees and there's going to be a tremendous amount of people there. So that is our main focus for 2024, is we will be attending a tremendous amount of events in the 2024 season. With that also being said, it's not going to be just strictly about racing anymore for us. We are going to be gearing everything towards car shows. We are going to be gearing everything towards, track events, more cruise-ins, more types of events like that. We aren't going to have every single thing geared towards just street racing, and performance. It is going to be a big change for us this year, going towards a different market and different types of genres of cars. We are also going to be going towards the truck market, to where we will be going to the, lifted truck scene and events as well. So that is one thing that we are going to change up for the 2024 season. We want to make this video today to let you guys know this information, because you're going to see a tremendous amount of changes on this channel in the next few weeks, especially towards the 2024 season change in January. So our lineup of TV shows are going to change as well. As of January 1st, we are going to do a different show for each night of the week, including Monday through Friday and Sunday. So Saturday and Friday nights, we may not have a tremendous amount of shows in the first part, mainly because a lot of us will be doing events and things like that. But when we are going live at these events, we will probably leave those spots open for those nights. But Monday through Friday and even Sunday, we are going to be doing a different show each night of the week. So we will post that lineup up on our Instagram and our YouTube. We will show you the different shows that we're going to be going towards as well. So I just want to make this video to kind of let you know what exactly we're going to be doing for the 2024 season. And if you would like to be featured on our podcast or talk show, whether that be in our studio here in the Midwest or when we go to an event, if you would like to be featured live on our actual podcast, you can shoot us an email at OCTANETVINFO@gmail.com. And when I say live, I don't mean live like we're going to be doing it live right there at the event. We will film live at the event, but it will be pre-recorded to be put onto a future video. We will probably not do a tremendous amount of live videos, only because it's too hard to do everything live. It's too hard to get everything set up. So we're going to be doing everything at that particular event live. Yes, it will be, and people will be able to see that, but it will be pre-recorded to be future videos on our channel, on our YouTube. So I just want to make that clear for everybody. We are going to be changing things up for the 2024 season, and I hope everybody likes these changes. And what do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see for the 2024 season, what events you would like us to go to. If you even are an event coordinator and you'd like us to come, shoot a comment down below or shoot us an email. We would really like to make everything fit our schedule, but at the same time, there are only so many days of the week. So let us know what you guys think. Comment down below. We would love to hear your guys' feedback for the 2024 season.